Hey YouTube, it's Kim Brzalik here. Got a couple items I want to show you. I'm bringing back the possible surface plate we looked at before. I've since cleaned it up a little bit. Once again, very heavy. And you can see the striations throughout in the metal, and the edges are the same. This is the back of it. The back of it does not have that same treatment that the top of it has. And we can see it's got some rust problems. Along with that, there is a steel cover that's intended to protect that, and I believe it was being used in conjunction with this gauge. Something else that I found, kind of a what is it? The Craigslist ad had 4 of these for $15. I figured it could be used for something. Obviously it's some kind of hold down clamp. I need to get this in the Evaporust. So, if you know what it is, put it in the comments. Now, we're going to have to try to do this again, because I need my hands to show you the wireless stapler. So, we have 2 pieces, actually 4. We have 2 pieces of paper here. And we have the wireless stapler. Now what that has done, it has punched this out, fed it through this slot that it also cut, and holds it together quite well. Another look at that. Somebody was thinking when they made this one. It cuts the slit, it cuts the tag, it shoves it through the slit. I'm amazed. Hey, like and subscribe, tell a friend. Have a great day. Thank you.